Hello, birthday number 17 or 16, what or 18. Among these, today I'm going to speak about birthday number 16. The combination of 1 and 6, though it is not good, but if you're born on 16, it means a sun and a Neptune. These two, that is Surya Graha and we have Ketu Graha. The both, what happens here, they meet differently. So if you ask me whether they are unlucky or unlucky, probably I can say if your birthday number is 16, it is to the extent unlucky regarding marriages and to the extent lucky in terms of spiritual behavior, which means you can become a good rishi and sage and spiritual master like any other swamijis or gurus around, but you cannot become a good good family or good husband to your wife, because birthday number 16 is not meant to become a good husband or good wife. It is meant to become independent sage, independent rishi, swamiji and spiritual master and educationist and poet and author and actor and actress. So this is what 16 is famous for. So if you're born under 16, these are the career options that you must choose, because 16 is also called uh, um, a number of depth thinking, deep thinking. So if you're born on 16 as birthday number, which means you think very deeply than others, you want to know about the devils, you want to know about God, you want to know about what is happening in the mysterious nature of this world, and all these things are very much into your mind. So that is why family, husband, wife, and all things are very far from you. And most of the people who are born under birthday number 16, they are led into divorce. They divorce after some time of marriage. So these things are happening, or they are into uh, spoiled relationships, unhappy spend of time in the family. These things happen with birthday number 16. So to get rid of all these things, you have to believe some numbers, what I say. If you want to marry someone, the best person whom you can marry is the person who is born under uh, 3, 12, 21, 30 of any month. So 3, 12, 21 and 30 of any month could be your best option for marriage. Then you can reduce that influence of divorce. Or if you don't go with these four numbers, there are chances of getting divorced, and this is very, you need to be very careful. And also one more danger is you are really prone to unnecessary behavior and thoughts, very extreme thoughts go into your mind. That is where your relationships gets disturbed. You go after many people unnecessarily, because if you are a man, because of women you will be spoiled. If you are a woman, because of man you will be spoiled. Physically, emotionally, you are drawn towards those people, and opposites will spoil you. So be careful in that type of relationships. And coming to your lucky numbers, I have already said to you the things 3, 12, 21 and 30 are the same lucky numbers if you want to do any important activity in a month or in a year. So go with these four numbers. The success is yours, no doubt in that. And unlucky numbers, if you're born on 7, every number is good to you, but to some extent 4 is not good. 4, avoid 4, in the sense 13, in the sense 22 and 31 of any month. You have to avoid these numbers to remain safe, but it is not very dangerous numbers. Unlike other numbers, they have very opposite numbers, but for 7, There is no number that is completely opposite. You can go with any number, but 3 will fetch you all the luck. Thank you very much.